Hello, hello, hello. My name is Albert Polanco, and I'm the author of Your Life Design Blueprint that I released back in 2017. We're now in 2024, and I finally turned my framework and my system for creating the life that you want into a digital version. So this is version one. I'm testing this out, and I want to share this with the world. I'm super, super excited to share this with everyone. And so let me ask you a question. Would you try to build a house without a blueprint, right? Chances are you wouldn't. Would you want to fly in a car or fly in a plane or drive in a car built by somebody who didn't follow a detailed blueprint? I think the answer is obvious. No, right? So why do we think that we can design and define a life of our dreams without a detailed blueprint, right? So that's the thing that I've created here. And so I'm going to literally walk you through what you need to do. And so the first thing you need to do when you're on this page is, if you don't have a Notion account, get one. But you could also just click this button here. If you have Notion, make sure you're signed in. Click this duplicate button here. When you click this button, it's going to duplicate this blueprint into your Notion account, right? I would suggest already having a Notion account, so it's notion.so. Sometimes I've seen some errors happen when you are creating the account and then having the thing get duplicated into your account. So that's just a tip. You don't have to. You could literally click that button and it'll go through and create this for you. Now I'm going to let this finish and then I'll resume the next step. All right, so now that that's done, you're going to be in your Notion area here, the Notion app. This works on the phone too. You can get the Notion app on your mobile device, Apple and Android. I would suggest starting on a PC. It would just be easier. A laptop, not just a PC. But anyway, here we go. So the Life Design, the Life Design Blueprint 90-Day Planner. All right, so this tool is here to break down your big yearly goals into doable 90-day chunks and track your way to success. And the other piece of this that I feel so excited to share is that I literally created an AI companion that's going to actually help you to use this and also just to define and design your dreams. I literally gave it my framework. I literally fed it the best parts of my book and what I've learned over the last few years. And you can literally chat with it, ask it questions. It's really highly recommended. The only caveat is you would need a ChatGPT Plus subscription. And I cannot recommend, if you're trying to create the life of your dreams, using ChatGPT Plus is a must, okay? If you don't have one, go get one. But you can click this button here to actually get access to the GPT. It's totally free right now. Here's just a little graphic kind of calling it out. I really want to drive this home, is that you could really use this AI companion that would help you to break things down for you, and you'll see where that becomes more relevant when I talk about the different parts of this process. So right here, you're going to have a how to use this blueprint video. You can click through, watch this, and you're going to know how to use this part, right? So I'm going to break this into parts. So this is the first part, and it's organized in steps, right? So you have 1, start, goal setting blueprint. Then you have 2, step 2, action plan blueprint, and then step 3 is the habit tracker, and then the last part is the 90-day planner. So we're just going to literally stop here. You're going to pick and go to this start right here. Click the start button here.